In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an arrow in Squarespace. It's a simple way to enhance your web design, guiding your visitor's attention exactly where you want it. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace editor site. Once you're there, you'll want to begin by clicking on the option that says Add Block. This serves as your foundation for adding a variety of elements to your site, and it's what enables you to insert the shapes we're about to work with. After you've clicked Add Block, you'll see a range of options for different types of blocks you can insert into your site. What we're interested in today is the Shape option. Click on Shape to start creating the specific elements that will make up your arrow. You'll see a selection of shapes you can choose from. Find and select the rectangle shape. The rectangle will essentially form the main shaft of your arrow, so think of it as the backbone of your design. Now, to actually insert the rectangle shape onto your page, you'll need to click once more on Add Block. This confirms your shape selection and drops it right into your design space. At this point, you'll have a simple rectangle ready to be transformed into something more dynamic. Next up, return to your Shapes option, but this time, choose the diamond shape. The diamond will serve as the point or tip of your arrow, effectively turning that simple rectangle into an arrow shape that you can use to direct attention on your page. To make this combination of a rectangle and a diamond actually look like an arrow, you'll need to adjust the sizes of your shapes. You can do this by clicking on each shape and manually dragging to adjust its height and width. With a little bit of tweaking, you'll align the diamond at one end of the rectangle, creating a seamless transition that forms your arrow. Once you're satisfied with how the arrow looks in terms of its proportion and alignment, it's important to lock in all your hard work. To ensure all these changes are saved, you'll want to hit Save. This final save is essential, as it prevents any accidental loss of your design efforts and makes sure that your arrow will be there each time you or anyone else views the site. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully added an arrow to your Squarespace site. Whether you're using it to highlight a call to action or simply to enhance the visual appeal of your page, a well-placed arrow can make a big difference in how users navigate and interact with your content. Thanks for following along. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Happy designing!